the excavator is applying the necessary force to pull down this story building. And this machine is what we've been waiting for since morning, and it just arrived barely some few minutes ago and has since pulled down the very first story building. And the owner expressed some level of disappointment and also said he shouldn't be blamed necessarily for building where he got the land, but rather there should be a systemic change where our drainage systems will be engineered properly to avert any form of flooding when it rains. Currently in your shot, you can see that the excavator is leaving no stone unturned. It just extends straight into the building, and then you have the work done at this moment. We want to take a minute to see how this building comes down in a minute. So the police are trying to pull this lady away because she's crying upon seeing the damage being caused to her building, seeing the demolition happening to the building. She can't hold back her tears, and the security men have no choice than to pull her away from the scene. She is being held and pulled away from the scene. She's literally crying. She's crying, and she's asking the gentleman to leave him. And this is the building in question that has brought her attention. And as you can see, the reason why she came crying is because this building they spent a number of months, probably years, to build. It's about to go down in some few minutes.